ตัวกันยังพูดเลยว่าอันนั้นที่เราได้ไปกันเลยตัวว่าบัวเลยตัวว่าบัวเลยว่าทอมนะว่ามาว่าได้เเลยค่ะว่าไปกันเลยกว่าดูกันนะเอาไว้ติดที่ว่าจีว่าไปกันเลยกว่าดูกันนะเลยนะฟิโอเคทีนี้ยังอีกมื้อวันดาฟิดูแคมราแมนนะฟินะโอเค
kita puji kode pakai carnival. Kita akan sakit. Oke, pakai Latina. Bye bye.
Kau le ni, wah cara ni berari. Kau bek kau ya lah. Kokobara. Ahi kokobara ya.
Takine.
Sini ba. Le. Le dia.
Skeleton.
Okay, family halile. Okay, le bachara pura. Ondan tu na. Poli le ni. Amale rawa butle tete la kwa tilu ni ni. Ya. Le wapura. Ka wapura ya. Le wapura ya. Dua. Mete ya la ni. Omana la. Okay. No worries, bud.
Sebe.
Pergi le qua pura.
Morning all. How are we?
Cái bèo ở đâm ni lẽ khai. Lấy cho xin mẹ hi. Tu đâm phải cha. Chào bà bố lép lên này. Ê, bố ra này. Video. Kalau apa lah sih? Macam mana lagi ni? Apa dah ni?
You go again.
Let's take a photo for you.
Okay, remove your hand.
Dan vai mà chỉ phải
Yeah. Okay, and then turn a little bit now. Yeah, like that.
True lah, matu angko je. Muka malala patu ya ni malah.
Wow.
Leha wa malala. Weh, dah dulu ya apa? Gata tahu. Dia apa cara? Tahu lah pikir lah, mah. Yeah. Mau mình lo biểu ra và mà lấy clip lại hết ô còn ra bùa đó đuổi siêu ra bùa ra không vui này lấy cao bùa ra cái đó chẳng nào lên là có bùa Đâu vẫn là nó thôi là ta khao này
I hope you got our best side.
Ôi.
Yeah, that's not a problem. All of us have my best side.
Our mate Rusty here got the most eligible in town.
I did. Yeah. What are you eligible for?
Yeah, is it okay if my camel spits on your head? Oh, it's good luck, you know. Turn around.
How fast do we give? What's the time the parade's supposed to start? 9:30.
No, just make our way. Let's go. Let's go.
Hả? Là lấy cá thua. Hôm mua này quá này là. Wow. I'm not going snake. Nè, lấy cá gì? Oh my, oh. Makan tak apa?
Dia pun nak kiri lima, apa?
Apa le? Wow. Kukuna. Little boy.
Papa con nào? Oh my goodness, level. Oh,
Have a look.
Đây nha.
No, this one.
Olive Pythons have Olive Faith's names. We've got another Olive Python named Martini. So to give you a size representation of what they eat, at fully grown, she'll be able to eat something the size of a basketball. She'll be able to open her mouth the size of a basketball.
He's trying to think. Oh, that looks like a lot.
So something that.
One day,
It's good to know.
Thank you for the cat. Would you like to hold him?
No, I'd never get away. I'd be here all day. I have a bird problem.
So do I.
If I look for the dunya na
I'm going to
Enjoy your day. Yeah, of course. Oh, don't touch his wings, only touch his tummy. Bite your fingers off to touch his wings.
How old is he?
He's 18. 50 plus?
50.
Yeah.
So you can get bigger than this?
No.
Oh no.
No, he's fully grown.
Do Australians have bigger eagles than this?
No, this is the largest bird of prey in Australia.
Oh.
It's the second largest eagle.
In the world?
Only one bigger, harpy eagle. Yeah, from the Amazon.
Oh,
So they grow 1.5
what about those eagles in America where it's like a white and
American eagle.
The American eagle,
yeah, are they?
they're about this size.
Really?
That's okay, though.
Okay.
Wedge-tailed eagles grow up to this.
Yeah, last one kind of one.
Yeah. Wedge-tailed, this one goes this tall.
Oh, this one you can get bigger?
Yes.
Oh.
This one, no, but wedge-tails, the species,
Oh.
can grow this tall. Yeah. 1.2 meters.
They can probably like carry like goats and stuff.
Pick her up and take her. People ask me, what does my eagle eat? Naughty little boys and girls.
Oh, it's so cool. Did you raise it as a young?
Since it was 20 days old.
Wow. Where are these located? Down here?
All over Australia.
All over Australia?
Yep. They're just here. High five.
Wow.
Thanks to me, I
No, no, but we don't have one.
Thì là phải ra pass luôn rồi. Có gì?
We want to kind of, I just venom it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
don't exist.
down towards the Toodyay Hotel at the other end of the street. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of food stalls up on the eastern end of the main street, so take advantage of those.
Now wait, lucky lip back here. Say big part all this. What got Lily? What are those that go in?
Have you written it?
Say very little. Look at this. Why that cow is low?
Alcohol leads to sin, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh. Down with the bean. Bắt thọ đây.
Oh, you're staying away from these terrible places.
Good.
That's about the culture, eh?
Let's go da, let's go da.
Đạp thôi đi bên đi đi.
The map. There ya lende.
Adora, papa kaya pa kasi dahil kami muna no, muda jogi din dahil ka no. Kung lena awan plan lo lewa.
Banyak dah tu nyam. Kau apa tak tu ya?
Good morning, everyone. We're at Toodyey District High School Choir, and we'll be performing 2 songs to you today: "Do the Right Thing" and "Warrior." Thank you.
There is a man here carrying a black ball. How are you, mate? Going good? Feeling good?
Tulia kwatwa chabu kobo kana. Tulia kwatwa chabu kobo.
Knitted clothes and crochet clothes, or just knitted? Knitted baby clothes.
Charlie.
So if you're in the market for some
Charlie.
clothes that are hand knitted, just outside the Victoria Hotel, not inside the Victoria Hotel, just outside the Victoria Hotel, there's a lady that will help you.
That's all right. We will look into it. Yeah, we'll look into it. Well, yeah, by far, but it's good for us.
Why does he sit down?
You want to feed him a carrot? Yeah, there's a bucket, and you can grab a couple of carrots out of there if you want.
A few to give away, so hang around and you might be able to take one of these home. Alright, we'll get underway with this underhand. Sandra's going to call us.
Okay, they've got 2 different handicaps. These 2 logs will off 3 and the one on the end will be off 10. Chainsaw. Okay. Axeman, to your logs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So watch out, chopping the pattern. Once they heard, you'll see the pattern. They'll do 1 down, 1 up, 1 up, 1 down. Hopefully, the last bit, the back will match their last bit in front. Like matches there. Now, the big over time. They brought in this year that all axemen have their mesh socks coming.
They're peg and rakers. They have teeth nearly 50mm long, and they're mainly good for soft woods, and they're not very cheap. You could be looking well over $20,000 for a 10-suit racing saw and a peg and rake saw. So Sandra in her heyday was in the Australian women's team as a cross-cut sawyer. She toured the US, Canada, New Zealand, and she still has a go these days. All right.
3. If they tuck their mark, right before their mark, it's work play. Axeman nail the logs. That's so that if it snaps, it stops on there and cut it.
นี่เต็มเลยไอ้กระดานนี้ก็เท่าไหร่ Cái nào mà cái chân này thank you
More chance on every ticket, and $2 to play. $2 a ticket.
Bye bye.
That's one number I'm doing.
Bye bye. No. $2 a ticket. That's one number I'm doing. One number away.
4 chances on every ticket. Only $2 to play.
If we don't do 1-0. It could be phone in Larry.
Larry.
Could be phone Larry.
ถ้าข้ามาอย่างละทุกที
ว่า blood พอดีไม่ใช่แค่นี้
ถ้าดูบลันนี้มาละเลย
3 in wins a giant one. Tournament looks like chuck it in there like this, it's going to bounce out. So underarms are best laid nice and soft and wild in there. And it's not allowed to hit the rim. If it goes like this and then in, it doesn't count. It's not allowed to hit the rim. I'll take 3 shots then. 3 shots? If he can do it on the card, bro. Card?
พอดามาคุยหลอดลูกไปเลยไอ้ยัด
Want practice shots? I'll tell you what, mate, there you go, you got 4 shots. First one's a practice, alright? Here we go. Alrighty.
Nampak kuih.
We'll try it from this part.
Nampak kuih lah, lu bela mah. Kuih lah bela lah.
Oh, it's close. Oh, you still got 2 more. Try it, arms straight.
Awak kuih apa dah?
Oh!
Orang mana aja kuih sana? Berapa lah? Berapa sih? Betul je.
Ini masa mau ni.
Oh, 3 shots. Oh, and 1 practice with you.
Try. Ini mana lah saya macam.
Yeah. Oh.
Right, it was just a practice. There it is.
No.
Oh, it's close. Yeah. Oh, last one. Get this one in, I'll give you an extra one, alright? There we go. Oh, lucky guys, good try.
She was confident in the last one.
Yeah, man.
Đây là chợ đến nào chị ăn lẹ. Chợ nó hơn các bạn đi. Đây là chợ tiêu.
Fiona.
Đi mới chị kêu đi giờ Fiona. Wow, nó có cái bó. Nó mà cái khai là khá là mà.
Oh my gosh, I want to take that. I want to take that one. Let's go. In the cup.
Cái chuyện là quay ra kìa.
We heard it.
Aje.
Malak sih dia lah nak.
Aje salah dua.
Give me one.
Yang ni nak. Anh đi chơi ra này. Không biết thôi á. Apa tu saya dah. Ni dah. Aduh, kau ni ada ni. Apa dah sewa ni? 25này what did the carry do no one no even let do am ya pepper luôn khi thọ nãy là nè đi cái mà ta lại được gì à Hey, this is privana. Hola. Nala don't talk copa vai. No, they are you will be like what are they? Yeah. Well, talk copa yana. Hey, present nama nanti. Oke, kira mana ni? Kacau.
Pub club. Yeah, the piss up club.
Yeah,
Don't go there or you get split.
Well, I don't know.
you cook me mà. Nè. Thôi được giá đấy. Lên kí có. Các khả sĩ lên cốt là gì? Lên cốt. Mình ra mà cốt à? Qua cái lên cốt gì? À, hotel là mấy gì? Okay, thì nhà này là Toodyay Bambawara Festival. Đâu có nhau ở тут à? Cả hai tiếp cả. Hay là nhưng mà cả pháp quê chả. There will be order in my order to here là Haran này mà. Mà đã lâu rồi đó mới tổ bố. Cái là cái chuyện là ta lập với nhau cái là nó cột lá cắt lá. Wow. Và phá cái là cái này bây giờ. Ni apa kau beli hay là phát giả mà. Cái này nó